Hey guys! Okay, are you excited for 2019 and all the possibilities ahead of us? I hope so, because we have a whole year in our hands just waiting to be shaped and loved and lived. And if you've been paying attention, I've been teasing a few things that I'm bringing to the workshop to help you really grow and own your brand. And I have this big one to announce that is really perfect for making sure everything is set in place so you can succeed. It's like a coaching call, but better. Like supersized, huge. It's called my top to bottom brand critique. Copy, photography, graphics, social feed, description, formatting, you name it. I will look at it all for you, give you my advice on what to revise, and even supply you some new copy for you to plug in. It's the way to know if 1, you're in a good place, 2, what you need to change, and 3, where to go from here. You can make the prettiest, most awesome, most desirable products out there, but if you're not communicating it right, it'll fall on deaf ears. So let's make sure that doesn't happen. Follow the link below for details, and let's tell 2019 who's boss. You are. You're the boss. You know that, right? I know that. Okay, let's do this.